Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Mac CPU. VirtualBox works reliably on Intel Macs. If you have Apple Silicon, plan for alternatives. Once confirmed, download the latest VirtualBox. DMG and the matching extension pack. Save both. Open the DMG and run the installer. You may see a security prompt. Go to System Settings, right arrow Privacy and Security, and allow the Oracle kernel extension. Once done, restart or log out if macOS requests it, so the driver loads correctly. You now create the virtual machine. Click New, name it, and pick the correct OS type and version so VirtualBox applies suitable defaults. Allocate RAM and at least one CPU core. Balance performance versus your host needs. Create a virtual disk using VDI and dynamically allocated storage. Pick a sensible size, for example 40 GB. Once the VM exists, open Settings, attach your installer ISO under Storage, and enable EFI for modern operating systems. Make sure networking and shared folders. You boot the VM and go through the guest OS installer exactly as on physical hardware. Follow prompts, partition the virtual disk, and complete setup. After the guest is running, install guest additions from the Devices menu to gain shared clipboard, improved video drivers, and seamless mouse capture. Reboot the guest when prompted. If the host blocks kernel extensions, return to Privacy and Security, allow the Oracle extension, and reboot the Mac. If you're on Apple Silicon, note VirtualBox support is limited. Consider UTM or Parallels as alternatives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.